Well, it is April the 8th, out here in a creek, first time in 2014. I'm out here with this. Where'd he go? Say hi, buddy. Who else is out here? My favorite little arrowhead hunter. What do you think we found, Kyler? Don't look, don't touch it yet. Let's see. What do we think this is? Look at me. What do you think that is? All right, let's see what it is.
I'm gonna go wash it off.
Okay, go wash it off and bring it back. Go down there in the water. Oh, look at that crude little guy. Well, it's definitely an artifact. It's a little banged up though, isn't it? Looks like
Daddy, could I bring it home?
Yep.
I'll carry it.
Okay.
Put it in the house.
Here, you can put it in there. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.